We got a good tree job today. It is going to be a very nice palm tree. It is the hardest palm tree to work on, but in my opinion, the most beautiful one out of all of them. It is a Canary Island palm. I'll show you when we get there. Here's today's project. It is a Canary Island palm. One of the nicest ones to look at when they're trimmed up, but also one of the toughest ones to actually work with. They're very spiky, they're messy. We're gonna be cleaning it up today. And something we're gonna be doing that's actually a little different on this one, we're leaving all the material behind for the customer. It's at their request. They opted to go with the down only option. We'll put the stuff on the ground. They'll clean it up. They worry about it. They're actually doing some renovations and they got a big dumpster up front. So they're gonna be doing that. They got the means and it saves them about half the price. So yeah, so we're just gonna go up there, clean up that whole thing, shave it up really well, and try to get some cool time lapses of it. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. All right, stick around, see how it turns out.
Chainsaw joking, huh? I said the chainsaw's joking, huh?
Yeah. Well, there it is, folks. Tree's cleaned up, and the homeowner is gonna be taking care of the stuff right here, all the debris. He's got some guys coming over to help him load it into that. But yeah, that's it for today. Talk to you guys in the next one.